Dear children, let us continue with the same chapter, but I will give you some more exercise problems, right? Okay. And first one is, write the 10 multiples of 3 and 5. Find the common multiples and write the common multiples in the circle diagram. That circle diagram is known as Venn diagram, right? That you can study in the higher class, right? Okay. And I will show you how to do this. And write the 10 multiples of 3 and 5. So you need to write 10 multiples of 3 and 5, right? We can write. I'll show you multiples of 3, multiples of 3, and here multiples of 5, multiples of 5. Okay, and first multiple of 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, and 3 sevens are 21, and 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay. And the next one is multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, and 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, okay, and 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, okay, 5 tens are 50. After that I need to find which are the common multiples in both, right? And see all the numbers. Did you see any common multiple? Yes, that is the first common multiple is 15, right? And the next common multiple, that is 30, right? Okay, and that is 30. Now 15 and 30 are the two common multiples. Is it clear? Next, I will show you the circle diagram, right? And see, these two circles are right. Their common part is where only? Common region. Here only, right? So you need to write it here. Here you need to write common multiples. Common multiples. Okay. And here you want to write other multiples of which number? Multiples of 3. Okay. And here you need to write other multiples of 5. Okay. And I can check which are the common multiples. I got it here 15 and 30, right? That first I need to write it here 15 and 30 in the common region. Okay, and other multiples of 3, I can write it here. What are they? First multiple is 3 and 6. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. That is there, right? No need to write. And 3 6 are 18, and 3 nines are 27, but 3 tens are 30. No need to write that also, because that is common multiple only. I need to write other multiples of 3 here. Is it clear, children? Okay. Then 5 multiples of 5. Next multiple is 10. 5 3s are 15. I don't want to write it here because 15 is here in the common multiple, right? And next multiple is 5 4s are 20. Next one is 5 5s are 25. But next one is 5 6 are 30. That is also in the common multiple. The next one is 5 7s are 35. Next one is 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. And 5 9s are 45, and the last one is 5 10s are 50. Is it clear, children? Did you see this? The common multiples are 2 only. What are they? 15 and 30. I wrote it in that common region, right? And other multiples of 3, I write it on this region, and other multiples of 5, I write it on this region. Then I finish the circle diagram, right? This one is the circle diagram. Okay? Or one more name is there, that is Venn diagram, right? The higher classes you can study about Venn diagram, right? Okay. And write 10 multiples of 5 and 8. Find the common multiples and write in the circle diagram. Here also I will show you how to do this. Okay, children. And multiples of 5. How much I want to write? 10 multiples. Multiples of 5 here. Here multiples of 8. 8. Okay. You should learn multiplication table, otherwise you can't do anything in this chapter, right? Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. And 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. See, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, and 5 10s are 50. Okay, and here 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. And 8 4s are 32. And 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. And which are the common multiples here? Here 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 5 2s are 10, like that, right? And which one is the common factor? Did you see any common factor here? Okay, 20, 25 not there, 30 not there, then 35 is not there, and 40. That is the common multiple, right? 40. And here also 40. Okay. This one is 40 only, right? Okay. And the next one is 45. 45 is not there. And 50. 50 is also not there. So I need to write common multiples here. That is for what? 40. This one is for common multiples. Common multiples, right? Okay. And you tell me the other multiples of 5. You write it here. Multiples of we have 5 and multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 here, right? Okay. Multiples of 5 and multiples of 8. Can you tell me the other multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Then 45, 50 also, right? That you can write it here 45 and here 50 also, right? Okay. And the next one, the multiples of 8. 8. The next one is 16 and the next is 8 3s are 24 and 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are 40 here, 8 6 are 48 and 8 sevens are 56 and 8 eights are 64, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Is it clear, children? See this? 5 multiples of 5 and 8. Okay. And 8, 16, 24, 32, 8 6 are 8 5s are 40 there, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Okay, thank you, children.